You know what I got right here? You are about to step into a new world for you guys. Step into this different world right here. Like your life is changing. That's what I'm picking up. So let's see. Parang lilipat na kayo sa next chapter na, ooh, happiness. This is happiness in general. That's what I'm picking up. Happiness in love and commitment. Happiness inside the family or home right here. Happiness in your connections, friendships right here. Partnerships and happiness into your career and job. Because this Ten of Cups is that type of energy that you will step into this type of emotionally being fulfilled. Like, mararamdaman mo yung tunay kang masaya, tunay ka ritong nakakita tayo ng feather, no, as light as a feather, magaan sa feeling or sa pakiramdam. So, let's keep moving. Let's see what's happening here. Oh, so it looks like nagkakaroon ka rito, no, ng different version of your life. Meron ka ritong view sa yung life, no, na nagbibigay sa iyo rito ng I think strength. Yan, no, parang nagpo-form dito, no, yung kung may intindi ka about life, no, makikita mo rito yung mas malalim na meaning as mas malinaw na meaning rito, no, ng life mo. Yeah. Which is maganda kasi this is you. I think that's positive. Kung ano man yung bigger picture na nakikita mo para sa life mo, it gives me this kind of message that it is positive for you guys. Okay, let's see. I can see you healing right here. Let's keep moving. Lagay na muna natin lahat ng energy sa ating table, mga babes, no, bago natin simulan ang reading na ito. Yeah, definitely. Gumagaling ka na, nagre-recover ka na. That's what I'm hearing. So, let's keep moving. Mm, wow. Tuloy mo lang to, babes, kasi nakikita ko rito na tuluyan ka na talagang magre-recover from this pain. So, yeah. Okay? So, hi and hello new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. You're welcome here in our community. And to the returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So, yan, timeless thought. Wala tayong gender dito. And syempre, yan, no, pwede rito magkapalit-palit yung roles. Pwede nyo yun, mga babes, no, na pagpalit-palitin. At syempre, if you feel that this reading is for you, then this reading might be really for you. So, yun nga, no, we have here the Ten of Swords energy, and there's this Three of Swords in reverse, and there you go, the Four of Swords. Three to the Four of Swords means you're healing from heartbreak right here. You're healing from any betrayals, all the hardships, no, pwede rin naman na pagtatraidor, hindi magandang pangyayari in the past, no, to the point na parang nagpahirap rito ng loob mo. Actually, nakita ko rito that with the Nine of Swords right here, but it's now in reverse, beautiful, no? The past really caused you some kind of traumatic experience. Dinibdib mo yon, talagang nasaktan ka ng sobra in the past, no? Yung iba, I'm sorry to say this, but nakita ko rito na yung iba na stress to the point na nagkaroon ng depression right here. Pero, I can see na mapaglalabanan mo yan, you're coming out from that. Yan. No? So, whatever the case may be, I can see you here fighting here. Talagang naapektuhan rito, no, yung iyong health. That's what I'm picking up. But don't worry because I can see I can see you recovering here. I can see recovery and improvement here in your health. Yeah. I can see you here na naapektuhan man yung mental mong pag-iisip in the past, yung physical rin, no, to the point na hindi ka rin siya masyadong nakakain ng tama, no, because of too much thinking right here, overthinking, overanalyzing, yan, no, about the spilled milk. You're no longer in that type of energy, honey. I can see you na makakalabas ka na dyan. Yan, no. Patuloy itong nangyayari 'no, sa matagal na panahon 'no, 'tong bagay na 'to. Hindi mo 'to nakakalimutan to the point na kahit na marami na rin ditong nagbago, marami na ring lumipas na oras at panahon, ano man 'yon, kasi this is general reading right here, pero isang mabigat na pagsubok o isang mabigat na challenges na pinagdaanan mo noon na nag-cause ng trauma rito to the point na na-stress ka, na-anxiety ka. Yung iba, I'm sorry to say again na nagkaroon dito ng depression to the point na nagkasakit kayo, there, na nagpunta kayo rito sa doctor right here, but I can see you recovering. I can see you recovering because the presence of Four of Swords energy and the Nine of Swords in reverse, definitely gumagaling ka na, naghihilom ka na. This is you receiving here healthy, yan, no, na mga pangyayari sa'yo in general. Yan, no. Nakikita ko na magsusunod-sunod na rito, no, yung mga magagandang bagay, no, na makatutulong sa'yo upang makarecover ka pa ng mas mabilis dito collective. So yeah, I can see you right here that with the Five of Cups energy, but it's in reverse, beautiful, no? Nakita ko rito, no, na ikaw to na hindi ka na ron parang nagre-resist, no? Hindi ka na lumalaban para manatili itong bagay na to na nag-cause ng betrayal. So, it could possibly be connections right here. I'm seeing someone in denial, pwedeng may tinatago, naglilihim, nagsisinungaling, no? May depensa tayong nakikita in the past, no? But no matter what this person did to you, this is you holding on to that person or specific situation in the past because meron tong value sa'yo eh. May significance yun sa'yo. Yun yung nakita ko rito. But you're no longer holding on to that because Five of Cups is now in reverse. So, hindi ka na nang hihinayang dun sa bagay na yun. Dati kasi pinanghihinayangan mo yun eh. Either connection yun, trabaho yun, no? Pero toxic yun. Pwede rin naman na negative yun, pero kasi nag-cause kasi yun ng sentimental value sa'yo, kaya nahihirapan kang bitiwan yun. Pero now, I can see you here that you're living it, ikaw na, no? With the Five of Coins energy right here, Queen of Swords, Six of Swords energy, Eight of Cups, you're making a decision na iwanan na yan, bagay na yan in the past. Because you're realizing na naapektuhan na rito yung life in general mo at naapektuhan na rito, no, mga babes, no, pati na rin yung ibang tao around you. And you have this big heart right here. Ayaw mo rin na nakikitang naapektuhan yung family mo, yung friends mo, no? Kasi may impact yun sa kanila. Pag nakikita ka nilang malungkot, nalulungkot din sila dito. Why? Because they are your genuine soul tribe. They are your community right here. Andun ka kasi sa parang nag-stay ka kasi dun ng matagal mo sa pagkakaroon ng malungkot na pakiramdam, nag-stay ka sa ganung bagay na parang kasi you want that situation back. Yeah, even though that's toxic, even though that's negative, that is you in the past. Gusto mo yun na hawakan ng mahigpit para hindi mawala sa'yo kasi nagkaroon ng sentimental value, no? Pero to the point na nasasaktan ka na and the other people around you, hindi mo masyadong napapansin, hindi ka masyadong aware na nasasaktan din sila. Your mom, your dad, your kapatid, your best friend, all the people that are concerned to you, hindi mo yun masyadong napapansin in the past kasi nakafocus ka dun sa bagay na natapon na yun, sa spilled milk kasi akala mo sayang yung bagay na yun, sayang yung connection na yun, sayang yung sitwasyon na yun. Yan, no? Pero hindi. No, ngayon, nagigising ka na, no, at nakikita mo rito, no, na, alam mo yun, nagkakaroon ka na, no, ng awareness dito, no, sa talagang anong dapat mong harapin. Kasi nagiging aware ka na kailangan hindi ako magstay sa ganitong klase ng mindset. Kailangan maging positibo ako. Kailangan hindi ako magstay sa ganitong klase ng emotions na negative. Kailangan maging positive ako. Yan. Kailangan hindi maapektuhan yung mga mahal ko sa buhay. Kailangan lumaban ako. Yeah, definitely. This is you fighting for life, no? So this is you, no, na hindi na kita nakikita rito, nagiging mahina kasi lumalaban ka na rito, babe. And you're making this final decision to walk away from whatever it is. Yeah, this is you. You're realizing that what you are holding on is not really what you want for yourself. Definitely, you're realizing it all. You're heading towards Two of Wands energy, Three of Wands, the Sun. This is you. Papunta ka na rito sa future mo. Yung future na totoong masaya, yung future na tunay na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Kasi ito, akala mo kasi itong bagay na to na ayaw mong bitiwan in the past, yan na yung bagay na magpapasaya sa'yo, pero hindi. Nagising ka na rito, no? And wag mo nang isipin kasi iniisip mo na parang naaksaya yung time mo rito, no? Kasi medyo matagal kang nalungkot, no? Wag mo nang isipin yun, babe, no? Ang isipin mo rito, no, is nagmo-move forward ka na sa life mo. At kung ano man yung nasayang na yun, no, wala na yun ngayon sa'yo. Hindi yun kasayang-sayang, no? Kung tao man yun, no, siya ang sumayang sa'yo. Yan. No? Kung ano man yung bagay na yun, no, you have to forget if that's a situation. You have to move forward here with your life. And I can see you realizing that because you're realizing here ano ba talaga yung tunay na mahalaga at yun ang magmo-move forward ka sa tunay na magpapasaya sa'yo. Kasi kung tunay na magpapasaya yan sa'yo, hindi ka niyan dapat bibigyan rito ng mabigat na pakiramdam. And that is what you're realizing. You're moving towards happiness right here. Real, genuine happiness like a pearl. You're gonna find yourself very, very happy sa dulo nito mga babes, no? This is you moving towards here to the future that will give you that kind of tunay na kaligayahan in life. Yeah, no? Not just in love life, but in any areas of your life. This is what we're talking about. Yeah, wag mo nang isipin, wag ka namang hinayang, no, na nasayang umiyak ka dyan sa bagay na yan, sa tao na yan, no? Yeah, wag mo nang isipin yan. Yeah. You have to move forward right here. You need to create more memories, more moments right here because you can really do that. You can change here your world. You have the power here to create your own life, your own happiness, and that is what you are about to do. So, tama. No? I can see this person right here. If this person is in denial, could be a liar right here. This person is somewhat not that type of individual na amin sa mga mali. This is the type of individual no, na hanggat kaya niyang pagtakpan yung mali, pagtatakpan niya. This is the type of person na hindi aamin no matter what. So this is the type of person right here that is you realizing na hindi siya dapat na hawakan for your life. This is you letting go of this person, if that is a person. And if that is a situation, trabaho, problema sa pera, o ano man yan, you're letting it go. You're heading towards here to your new life, to your new beginning right here. And this is you finally making a decision, leaving all of them in the past, leaving all of them behind you. And that is your clarity, that is your truth. At ngayon nakikita kita na gumagaan na yung pakiramdam mo, ngumingiti ka na ulit, sumasaya ka na, no? Nakikipag-joke ka na ulit, no? Kumakain ka na ulit, no? At nakakaramdam ka na ulit ng gutom ka. Dati kasi hindi ka nagugutom kasi you're overthinking. Nag-iisip ka ng sobra. No? Dati kasi hindi mo napapansin yung mga magagandang palabas kasi you're too focused right here of how to stay or get a hold of whatever it is that is no longer serving you. Not anymore. This is you, hindi mo na nga alam kung anong uunahin mo sa mga gusto mo rito panoorin, whatever the case may be, or mga gusto mong activities na gawin, or ngayon, di mo alam kung ano yung mga una mong gustong bilhin. Kasi this is you, wala na dun sa pain yung focus mo. Ang focus mo ngayon, mga babes, no, is how to make your life better and how to give to yourself, how to love yourself even more, and how to appreciate yourself even more. So, yeah, you're heading towards your happiness. Yeah, alam nyo naman na yung pagsikat ng araw is hindi naman agad na nagpalit yung gabi sa liwanag, 'di ba? So, unti-unti itong sisilay sa'yo, no, at makikita mo dito, no, na napakaganda ng buhay, no, at napaka magiging magaan yung life sa'yo ngayon na binibitiwan mo na, no, yung mga bagay na nagpapabigat rito sa'yo. So, yeah, collective, very inspirational and motivational yung ating reading for today. So yeah, receive and claim this honey and isipin ninyo, no, na higit kayong mas malakas, no, sa problema ninyo at higit kayo rito na mas malakas dahil meron kayong kasama ninyo ang inyong Diyos, no. Wala tayong religion dito, no. Your faith in your God is mas higit na mas malakas kaysa sa problemang pinagdadaanan mo. Okay? So yeah, keep moving forward right here and receive this happiness in the future for you guys. Your future is napaka maganda rito mga babes, no? The sun is in a bright, so look forward here to the life that will give you that genuine happiness in the end. So thank you so much, Collective Sarah Love in Life. Annyeong!